Hi there! Loving our high-end DIY home decor products? Well, stick around for a few minutes while we show you how easy it is to make something beautiful. I've got a C-size transfer here, which is a 12-inch by 18-inch size, and a corresponding 12 by 18-inch surface. This is our 8-in gallery chalkboard, and I've got some other important tools assembled here that will be helpful as I work through this project. I have a fuzzing cloth, a permanent marker, and scissors. My multi-tool, which is so handy for stirring paste and to catch details in small areas. I have a couple of other squeegees here too, a small squeegee and a 4-inch handled squeegee, 2 colors of paste here, and a board eraser. I have a water bath here too, just to make cleaning up quick and easy. I'll begin by cutting apart my transfer here along the marked cut lines. And then I'm going to use a permanent marker to label the backers, and that just makes cleaning up later so much easier if you're not trying to guess which backer goes to which piece. This transfer actually gives you a couple of options, and for this, we're going to go with Home Sweet Home. So I'll set this third piece aside. I'll just check my placement here, and I really like the fit, so now I'll get this first piece applied to the board. Just peel the adhesive silkscreen transfer off the backer, and I'll just stick it first to a fuzzing cloth, which picks up a bit of lint to sort of dull the stick, especially on a brand new transfer, and this helps so that it won't stretch as it pulls off. Then I'll get it positioned on the board and smoothed out so there aren't any bubbles or folds, and I'm going to use fresh linen paste, which is a very nice neutral here. I'll stir it first with the multi-tool just to ensure a nice smooth consistency, and you could always add water to the paste if needed. And I'll just load up my small squeegee and start to apply the paste over the screened area of the transfer. I'm putting it on pretty thick here, and now I'll take my handled squeegee and spread this paste over the larger area. This 4-inch squeegee is like a secret weapon. It makes quick work of a big transfer. Now once I've got it covered, I'll just scrape off the excess and get this transfer peeled up. And that, my friends, is the best part, the peel. I'm going to quickly reposition this below, and I'm going to work quick so the paste doesn't dry on the screen, but you could always wash and then dry it in between if moving quick stresses you out here. And I'll just load it up again with that same fresh linen paste and cover the screen, then save any excess in the jar for next time. Now I can put this piece in the water bath for easy cleanup and move on to the next piece. While I wait for these to dry just a bit, I'll prep my next color. I've got this beautiful Cool Breeze paste, and I'll just stir it up. I'll take the sweet layer here and remove the backer and fuzz this piece as well. And I'm applying it right in the center here, and I love that I can kind of see through the transfer emulsion to make sure I like the placement, and then just smooth it out on the board once again. I'll take my clean small squeegee and smooth this lovely color over the word, and then offload the excess. And then peel this element. Oh, that is so pretty. And there it is. Can you even believe how fast it is to customize your own decor? Now I'll get cleaned up. This board eraser helps take the paste off the transfer so quick. And then I'm just drying this off with a paper towel, just swiping the water off really, but you could also just let this air dry with the sticky side up. Now to reapply the backer, here's a pro tip. Lay the transfer down and line the backer up on top rather than fight putting the transfer on top of the backer. And then just smooth it out. Now I'll get this one cleaned off as well, and I'm just doing this in the water bath, but you can easily do this at the sink, under running water, wherever it's convenient. And again, I'm just whisking off the standing water and drying this off, and then lining up the corner of the backer over the transfer element and smoothing it on in one direction to make sure it's stuck. And then I can store these flat. Cleanup is just that easy. Each chalk project is quick, easy, high-end DIY decor, and this finished piece will really make your home a bit sweeter.